Good morning, student. Myself Anup Kumar. I am again here, dear, and it is my first video of this week and third video of this chapter, chapter 20, volume and surface area of solids. So, students, in previous classes we have already discussed about the concept of cuboid and we have solved some examples also, dear. Now, what is the topic of the today class is, dear? So, topic of the today class is today we will discuss the concept of cube with formula. Okay, dear. So, let's start the class. Now, students, at first let's start with introduction. So, first point is what is cube? A cube whose length, breadth, and height are all equal is called a cube. Okay, dear. For example, ice cubes, sugar cubes, dice, etc. Okay. Now, a cube has 6 square faces, 12 edges and 8 vertex, same as cuboid. You can see in the figure also. So in the adjacent figure you can see that 4 vertical faces A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E are the top and the bottom, and vertical are A, D, H, E, B, C, G, H, A, B, C, A, B, H, F and D, C, G, H. We can write the name like this. Okay, A B C D E F G H A D H E B C G F A B F E and C G H. So 6 square faces, these all are square faces. Okay, and 2 flat, if you will separate, so 2 flat faces are this one, A B C D and E F G H, the top and the bottom, and the rest all 4 vertical faces are A D H E B C G F A B F E and C G H E. So these are the dimensions of the cube. Okay, students. Now we will solve some questions based on it, but before that we will discuss the formula. Okay, dear. So let's see the formula, dear. So formula is what? The first formula of cube is volume. So volume of cube is what? L cube. It means L into L into L. And since it is the volume, so we will write the value in cubic units. Now, diagonal of cube root 3 into L units. How can we know that the diagonal of cube will be same? That is, in cuboid we have already discussed that diagonal of cube is L square under root L square plus B square plus H square. But if you will replace the B and the H with L, because in cube all the dimensions are equal, all the sides are equal. So L square plus L square plus L square. It will be what? Under root 3 L square. Okay. So you can see that L square we can take out because it has a power. So if we will take out from the root, then power will finish. So only 3 will be in root and L will be outside. You can see the same formula. It means we have created this formula by using the previous formula of the cuboid. Okay. Now, so next, total surface area of cube. 6 L square, 6 into L square. In simple way, we can also say that area of any one square. All the sides are L, so side square, L square. And since it has 6 faces, so 6 into L square. LSA of cube, it means lateral surface area, it means the 4 walls, it means 4 only, so 4 L square. Okay, so these are the area and these are diagonal and this is the volume of the cube. Now students, let's see another point. Question. Now first question. Here the volume of cube is given. What? 1331. We have to find its side. Okay. So at first we will write what is given. The volume of cube 1331 centimeter cube. So as we know that volume of cube formula is L cube. So but we have to find the side. So we can create the formula from here also. We can write that side of the cube, we can remove this cubic sign and we can take it to this side, then it will be cubic root. So we can write the volume in cube. Now let's put the value of volume. So it will be 1331. Now we have to find the cubic root of 1331 and that will be the side of the cube. Okay. So if you will factorize it, it will be 111 into 11 into 11. It means only 111 we can take out from the root, then root will over. So that will be the side of the cube, 11 centimeter. I hope that you all have understood, students. So let's move to the next question. Now students, here you can see in this question, that is the surface area of cube given. we have to find the volume of cube. So at first, in all the word problems which we have previous solved here, I said you that at first what we have to see if the word problem is given. That at first we have to find that what we have to find and what we need. Okay. So find the volume of the cube. So to find volume of cube we need side. Okay. But side is not given. Yes, surface area given. So we can find the side with this surface area. So let's do it. At first what is given? The surface area of cube is 1176 centimeters square. If only surface area is given, it means sometimes most of the students will confuse that it is the lateral surface area or the total surface area. So if only surface area written, then in that case we will take it as total surface area. So what is the volume of the surface area? What is the formula of surface area of cube? 6L square and surface area of cube is already given 1176. So what formula we can apply? Here side surface area of cube 6L square. So at first we will take out 6 to this side. Then surface area of cube by 6 and we will remove this square. So it will be in the root. So side of cube will be under root surface area by 6. Now let's put the value. So surface area 1176 by 6. Let's divide it. If we will divide 1176 by 6, then what will we get? 6 1 ja 6, 5 7, 6 9 ja 54, 3 6, 6 6 ja 36. 196 in root. And we know that 196 is the square root of 14. Okay. So 14 is the side of the cube. Now we know the side of the cube. So we can find the volume of the cube. We know the formula of the volume of cube, L cube. So 14 into 14 into 14. 14 cube. So 14 into 14 already 196. And 196 into 14, it will be what? Let's multiply it. 6 4 ja 24. Carry 2. 9 4 ja 36. 2 38. 8 carry 3. 4 1 ja 4. 3 7. Now 196. Let's add it. It will be what? 4. 8 6 14 4 carry 1. 9 1 10 17 7 carry 1 and 1 2. 2744 centimeter cube will be the volume of cube. Okay. So I hope that you all have understood, students. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. Now the next question is that the external dimensions of a closed wooden box are 58 centimeter, 26 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Okay. This is the external dimensions. Okay. And if the box is made of 2 centimeter thick wood, find the capacity of box. Okay. So at first we will write what is given. External dimension of box. Okay. Now an external volume of box, let's find it. So what will be the external volume of box? For example, if we are creating a box of 2-dimensional figure, okay, like this, then you can see here dear that here external dimension means what? Length, breadth and somehow its height also. Okay, its height also, because it's a 2D figure, so height we cannot see. Okay, so 58, 26, 40, so it is the external dimension. So if you have, and the box is made of, the here it is blank, it is hollow, only this part is made of metal, okay, or any material. So this part we have to find. And how can we find it? We will subtract. At first we will find the volume of external volume of this box and then internal volume of this box, and then we will subtract, then we can get the volume of this box. Okay, so let's do it. Now at first external volume of box, L into B into H, 58 into 26 into 14. Let's multiply it. At first 58 into 26. So it will be what? 8 6 ja 48, 8 carry 4, 5 6 ja 30, 8 2 ja 16, 30 60 46 4, 50 0 carry 5 and 5 2 ja 10 and 5 15. 1508. Now we have to multiply 14 with it. So it will be what? Let's see. 8 4 ja 32. Here we can write 8 4 ja 32. 15 4 ja 60. It means 60 32. Now one time, so same 1508. Now after that, let's add it to 8 3 11, 6 5 11 1 and 2. 21,112. That is the external volume of box. Okay. Now, so again we can say internal length of box means what? 2 centimeter thick wood we will subtract. So it will be 2 2 ja 4, 2 times now, and 58 minus 4, 54 centimeter. And internal breadth, again 26 minus 4, 22 centimeter. Internal height of the box, 14 minus 4, 10 centimeter. So this is the internal length, breadth and the height of the box. Okay. So now if we will multiply these three, then we can get the capacity of box. Okay. So it will be what? It will be, hence we can say that capacity of box will be internal volume of box. So it means L into B into H, the value we have got it, we will multiply. So at first let's multiply 54 with 22. It will be what? 4 2 ja 8, 5 2 ja 4 2 ja 8, 5 2 ja 10, 4 2 ja 8, 18, 8 carry 1 and 5 2 ja 10, 1 11, 1188 with 0 1 0. So 11,880 will be the capacity of this box. I hope that you all have understood, students. Okay. So you have to do some assignment work at your home, dear. In RS Sarwal book, you have to solve exercise 20A, question number 16 to 22, and you have to solve exercise 20C also, question number 11 to 15. Okay, dear. So thank you. We will meet in the next class.